It was a scorching afternoon in the desert. Sand stretched far and wide, with a burning sun overhead and deep silence all around. No trees, no water, only sand flying with the wind. In the middle of this desert, under an old rock, an old monk was sitting in meditation. His white beard was filled with sand, his eyes were closed, and his face was so calm, as if he had defeated time. People used to say, he knows everything, but he says nothing. That moment, a little bird fell down from the sky, struggling. Its wings were tired. In search of water, it had flown hundreds of miles. It looked around, only sand, and more sand. The bird said to itself, maybe my journey will end here. The bird sat near the rock, right at the spot where the old monk was meditating. After a long time, the old monk opened his eyes. He saw the bird and smiled. The monk said, even being so small, you have crossed such a vast sky. The bird replied, I didn't know how far the destination was, I just kept flying. The monk said, the desert scares everyone, but fear only stops those who give up. The bird said, but now I have no strength left. There is no water, no trees, and I can see nothing ahead. The old monk picked up some sand, let it fall through his palm, and said, what you see is not everything. Then he moved the sand under the rock with his finger. After a little while, a thin stream of water appeared from beneath the sand. The bird's eyes lit up. The bird said, how did you know? The old monk smiled. I didn't see it. I trusted it. Then he said, any person or creature who gives up on the way never realizes that the solution was just one step away. Sometimes in life, we keep working hard, and then, tired and frustrated, we just stop, without realizing that the goal we have been walking toward for so many days is just one last step away. In fact, true and lasting success in life is not just achieving a goal, but continuously working hard in every situation, falling and getting back up, moving forward without stopping, and trusting your efforts without worrying about the results. The bird drank the water. Its wings became strong again. Before flying away, it asked, why do you live here all alone? The old monk said, so that I can remind tired travelers that stopping is not the end. The bird flew into the sky, this time higher than before, stronger than before. Along with finding water, it also learned a deep life lesson. Drinking the water, it realized that patience and effort are the greatest strengths during difficult times. It quietly decided that no matter what challenges come in life, it would never give up. Message of the story: the desert symbolizes the hardships of our life. Every step is full of struggle, with thirst, fatigue, and despair along the way. But those who move forward with patience learn that difficult paths are what make a person strong, wise, and successful. Birds searching for water in the scorching desert teach us the meaning of struggle. Even in difficult situations, they never give up. They keep flying, seeking hope. This struggle makes life stronger and teaches us that efforts are never wasted. Keep moving forward even when everything seems empty, because the greatest miracle is often hidden just beneath the last attempt.